How to redeem YouTube Premium code. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. So you can redeem your YouTube code in two ways. You can either open up your YouTube application or you can just open up your Chrome application and here at the search bar type in youtube.com/redeem. Let's go ahead and click on enter. As you do so, it will automatically open your YouTube account through a web browser. Make sure that you are connected to your specific YouTube account where you would like to redeem the code. Under redeem your code, you will see a box. In here, type in the code that you would like to redeem. Make sure that you are entering correct and valid YouTube Premium code. Also make sure that you are not entering O instead of 0. That might lead to your code not redemption. Once you do all that, all you have to do is tap onto next. And if the code is valid, you will be successfully able to redeem it and you agree to the gift card and promotional code terms and conditions as applicable. If you would like to read the terms and conditions, tap onto it and here you will be able to see it. You can go through each of them and read the eligibility. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you had found this to be helpful, then please like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.